last. They told me that if I want to be last in this throne, I must constitute my council. And when I was in seclusion, the people that lectured me in seclusion said that Aare has his own council. And I verified from Kabiyesi, he said it's true that he has his own council, that his council is more larger because it's entire Yoruba land. And the chieftaincy we are giving now is different from the Obas. Oba chieftaincy title is different from Aare. This is the chieftaincy of traditional warrior. Traditional warrior. Not a chieftaincy of an Oba. And you will see that the cap of the warrior, Filologo, was the one giving them. Even last year, I've seen a lot of people writing the different thing in Facebook. I know that they have attached politics with the Mayegun that Kabiyesi installed. And they now bring a picture of the Mayegun that was installed last year, January, and attach it together to cause confusions. I'm appealing to Nigeria that they should not create crisis and acrimony in Yoruba land, because Aare and Alaafin must not have issues. If they have issues, there will always be a crisis in Yoruba land. And you can imagine what happened between the Alaafin, Aule, and Afoja. The damages of that crisis, we are still not seeing it now. I'm not saying I'm a child to Alaafin, I'm a student to Alaafin, but they must not create a crisis. If you want to create a crisis, you can create a crisis politically, not traditional institution. We are trying to manage our traditional institution. You must not create a crisis unless that person will be cause. And at the same time, you can see I was announcing it every time that this is the chieftaincy of warrior, not an Oba. Because we have some Oba now that is grumbled to. Now why did I giving the chieftaincy title? My own is different from their own. I have to look for warriors, those who will fight for me, not fighting on gun or bow and arrow, intellectual battle. Now we have a sovereignty, we have the army, we have the navy, we have the police, we have the SSS. So you have to be very careful. You must take law into your own side. Law is very important. So we are building the intellectual people that can add value to the council. We have about 6 lawyers, about 3 professors, about 6 PhD holders, different accountants. Most of the people I gave this title, they are professional. You only give 17. And those who apply for this title, they are more than 300. They are more than 300. But we agreed on just 17. And I couldn't do it alone. I called the Aare council that is on ground. We discussed on it and we give a final approval. If you want Yoruba to be orderliness, we must build structures. There must be a structure. You can't give me Aare on the Kakapa and say I should be going to Ibadan, going to Oyo, going to everywhere. Where will I see the resources? The governors are not cooperating. If the government did not cooperate with me, wouldn't I look for people of like minds to assist me in my own level? So definitely it's very, very important that even after I demise, which will be longer by the grace of God, more Aare that is coming must have their own council. Because you can't be thinking alone. And when they are giving instances of Abiola and Akintola, Akintola got that title in 1964 when there was a political crisis. And he holds the power of Western Region Premier. So somebody in Western Region, he won't have the time for council. Abiola was installed in a haste because he got a judgment of 5 days. They have to install him on Saturday. So the rudiment of Aare, he could not even pass through it to the seclusion. And Abiola is a deep Muslim. So there is enough, it can be deep in tradition. It's a nice man, with good-minded, a philanthropist, but it's a deep Muslim. I'm a Muslim, but I'm a flexible Muslim. I'm a flexible Christian, I'm a flexible traditionalist. So, me only share the cocoon. So definitely what we are doing here is the installation of a traditional military council of Yoruba land. Traditional, not military council of modern. So don't compare Aare with Nigeria Army. Don't compare Aare with the Air Force because I don't want to have issue with them too. So I have to be careful with my statement. You know, the military don't joke with somebody who toy with their own influence too. So this is just tradition, about tradition.
Thank you very much.
Although I've never seen any Yoruba man that will be in government that will criticize the government. Asage have done that now, yesterday. He criticized Malami because he want Nigeria to move forward. You can't say because you are Attorney General, you are almighty on law. We have Onogoruwa, we have a lot of Attorney General that have been in Nigeria government. But your tenure, people will mark it. And what is happening in our judiciary system now, we have to look it very well. Because the judiciary is the last hope of the common man. Why are you bringing constitutional issues to the life and property? When the life and property of the country is being threatened, we are now bringing a constitution that was written by the military. This is the constitution that was written by the military, not Nigerians. And we have been trying to explain to them that we need a constitution of the people. You are quoting for. In the north, we have Iswa in Nazarawa, we have Iswa in Katsina, we have Iswa in Kano, we have a civilian JTF in Borno, we have a vigilante in Zamfara, we have a G8, they have their own security outfit. Why are you attacking, why are you bringing constitutional issues on Southwest? I'm appealing to the Southwest governors to stand on their feet because history is watching them. They have the mandate from the people as a governor. The way they voted for Buhari as a president, that's the way they voted for them in the state. So you won't bring your constitution in federal to intimidate people. There's a state house of assembly. The highest is that the state house of assembly should pass into law. It's a security outfit. It's not a serious and conventional police. It's not a state police. Yeah, army and Nigerian police, we have partnered together in crime fighting. Is it written in constitution? When the Nigerian army call us in Abule Ado to drive away the criminals in the creek between Maitu to Ojo, is it in the law that Nigerian army should engage us? Is it in the law for Nigerian police to call us to go and attack the Badu? So why are you bringing constitutional issues now? It's a beginning of crisis. It's a beginning of stalemate.
I don't have the power to give any person a position of Yoruba land. You can only be attached with Aare or Kakanfo of Yoruba land. So a point of clarity, the gentleman declares so that you can do justice to that. I want to clear that situation because we saw some early of progress, pushing different story in the media that Allah has installed Mayegun, Aare is installed Mayegun. Mayegun is different from Mayegun. The power of Allah is higher than Aare because Allah was the one that gave Aare that title. So I use this opportunity to congratulate the recipient of the title today. The position being given to you today is to assist Yoruba land, even assist Nigeria as a country. Any wealth of experience you have, please only use it to move our nation forward. And don't have it in mind that when I get this title, I'll just go and keep it in the house. You have a role, you have a duty to make sure you are one of the people that move this nation forward. So I thank every one of us in this country because we have a long list. We have a lot of dignitaries among those members of the council that want to install today that refuse to come to the high table. They prefer to associate with the person giving students the title than to come to the high table. So I cannot mention many names of the people that are being here. But